Hello everyone. Why teamwork is so important to be successful? It is no secret that having multiple people work around on a project or tasks leads to better results. First of all, any project or task requires a variety of skills and knowledge that no one person likely has. By forming a team to tackle a project or a task, you can draw on the collective skills and knowledge of each member to get the job done quickly and efficiently. For example, let's say you want to create a complicated website. You could do it alone, but if you form a team, you can assign tasks according to everyone's skills. Someone could work on the coding, another on the graphics, someone else on the content, and another on the marketing aspects. This way you're confident that each step of the process is being completed with the proper expertise. Another benefit of teamwork is having different perspectives when solving problem. Let's go back